Just like to welcome everyone back. It's Darren from DNA Worm Castings. Short video today about putting my European nightcrawlers out of their bins into the bigger bed for next year for bait worms. Already got some in here. To show you today, I'll put them in there. So they'll be good size for next year. As you can see, there's some really good ones still there. Breeders. Ones I've bred. That one there. Ones that I've bred myself. Breed more for next year. I don't have enough bigger sizes to sell this year. Some are mostly undersized, but next year they'll be all big. So I'll let them breed and I'll have more next year. So today I'm just pouring them out in the bigger bin. I'm going to enlarge that bin. Enlarge the bin up. Some eggs, etc. A bit of a kicky one. Nice healthy one. Just want to get out of there, heading out of there. So I'll just keep tipping these in there. So I hope everyone's been good. Hope everybody's worms have been going good. Nice and healthy and selling well. In Australia here, they've been selling pretty good. I've sold a lot of composting worms. I've actually sold too many. I've had to buy more to breed on. With these nightcrawlers, this is my first year breeding them, and these are the babies. Well, not breeders, they're babies, they're breeders, but people that want big amounts, I haven't got enough yet to sell big quantities of them. So, let's just keep this down. And hopefully this time next year, as you can see, there's a nice big lump of fatties. Nice ones there. So there's a lot of, looks a lot there, but people want hundreds of them. As you can see, there's some real young ones in there. And it's up to me, I'd sell them, but then I'd have no more next year, so I've got to slow down and breed more before I sell. So my breeding one, my ones I have bred this year, already breeding, which is a good thing. So, there's different ones as you can see. Not too sure if I show up, you can see big bundles of them. Like in here. Having the horse manure. Driving a hospital, they're all a certain size, different age, 4 months, 5 months, maybe. As you can see, it looks a lot, but when you get them to resell, there's a lot. So I've got to be patient, wait for next year to get more breeding up. As you say, they're nice. Little fat ones for someone's bait. The European nightcrawlers. But some people use the African nightcrawlers, but I don't like them because they get a bit fussy. They want to clear out, they want to take off if the weather's not right. As you can see, like this bin, They're not as big. They're not as big, they aren't. See, different ages. So I'll put them all together this time next year. They'll be bigger for everybody to see. As you can see, some are very big, fat age, nice big sizes. Different ages. I don't know how many I'd have. Start off at 500. I've had them about 7 months. Their babies have rebred themselves. As you can see, there's a nice fresh cocoon there, green one. So these are breeding. My babies are breeding, if that makes sense. So the longer I leave them, the more that I'll have. So if I put them in, all these ones in here, they can just get more and more for next year. Just put them like that. Spread them this big. And a largest worm farm anyway. Spread it right out to that, over to the fence and back to the fence. Again with more bricks. Just for now, I've been away for a few days, so come back and you can see I've got a amount in there. All different ages, beautiful, healthy ones. They're going to get bigger in here. A couple of bigger ones. I don't know how many it would be, but there's a fair bit in there. But when people want hundreds to buy, they'll go through pretty quick, and I end up having to buy more myself. So I thought I'd make a short video today just to show you that chunk up. I'll put him on the brickwork here. Here's a nice one. Most people say, oh, they're selling ages, you can sell them, but you sit down and take all those big ones out. It's the small little ones and big ones. So I'll be patient next year and sell some more. But I won't bore you with the rest because I've done these containers here. I do still have a lot in my shed. And here, I've still got a lot. I don't have to go for lighting. I've still got a lot in here. This tote here. Let's see if I can get some up. They're the younger ones again. So I've still got a heap in here. A couple of thousand more in there. So I'm trying to organise my worm thing. Do about my European night crawlers today. So I'll put all them outside for next year, be patient and sell some. And as I said, hope everybody's well and worms are going good and you're selling and making money. That's about it. Anyone that's watching this and they want to get some education about worms or getting anything about worms and they want to learn from scratch, Mimi's Worm Farm on YouTube is a very good channel to watch. You'll learn everything you need to know. She'll show you all what mistakes she's made, and you can learn by them. And yes, I've learned a lot in a short period of time off her. So thank you for everybody that's watching, all my American friends. I'm trying to get more Australian friends, but I think I'm liked by Americans more than Australia, but that's what it is. I might make a video during the week. I've got some more composting worms coming. And stay tuned. Subscribe, like, share a coffee. Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. Thank you for watching my channel again, much appreciated.